Give me the tongs too. She's trying to go find those little tong things. Let's split it up.
Alright, go ahead and take it off. Awesome. Exciting stuff.
Holy, is that like...
It's a lot of puff. We'll get rid of all that puff too.
Oh, fluffies.
Does it already feel better?
Yeah. I look kind of dead when I'm under like wax. Holy hair.
It happens. Mine's worse and I didn't even have surgery. Forecast.
Yeah, I've never just cut straight down before, so it's almost impossible to get that corner unless you just.
I'm always worried I'm gonna cut them.
I know.
I was worried.
That's what I was telling her back in like medical school. We had to do it on each other, and it was like we all knew it was our first time, you know. And so everyone's just like freaking out. Every little cut was like, oh. All right, so if that's really dry, I might put some saline on it and just rip on it. I don't know what to do. So,
Holy sh...
Mm-hmm.
so let's see what we got here. Good. Okay.
Do these stitches like dissolve? I didn't ask her that.
The ones on the outside, yes, usually.
So you use your index finger to stabilize
Mm-hmm.
so that you don't skive too deep with the cast on.
And you cut both sides?
Correct.